In the global marketplace, business has never been more complex or competitive. The relationship between companies and their customers has never been more critical. ISO 9001-2000 is the new face for quality management systems around the world. Its focus is on the customer and continual improvement. Its revised structure is based on a process approach. These changes in the standard reflect what organizations want from their quality management system.
The plant cycle time is the time taken from receipt of the customer order at the plant to the time when that order is dispatched from the plant. We've been able to achieve an improvement of about 50%, and we're now at a cycle time of 28 days.
Pre-kitting is the established process we have for the gathering of piece parts and module parts for the build of an ATM. We've been able to improve the complete trolley yield from 59% to better than 95%, while at the same time improving the delivery time from what could take 5 hours down to 15 minutes at the moment.
We have two measures that we work on, the through-process yield quality and the out-of-box quality. The out-of-box quality is the quality level as received by the customer at installation, and we've improved that measure by 0.8% through our process improvement activity.
Organizations around the world are applying quality principles to help drive their businesses. The language of quality has become international. The word quality has become more meaningful. It describes how well a business process is meeting its objectives. Is the process meeting the needs and expectations of the customer? ISO 9001-2000 is based on a process approach. It requires organizations to identify and manage their processes and achieve continual improvement. All of an organization's activities can be described as processes, but which are the key processes? Which ones have an impact on the customer? How do these processes interact? These questions form the basis of a system approach to quality management.
Cycle time is very important to our customers. Our need to deliver on time to their requirements is very much a competitive requirement in the marketplace. We've found that demand planning, supply line management and manufacturing are the key interacting processes to enable us to reduce cycle time.
Any activity that receives inputs and converts them to outputs is a process.
The inputs of pre-kitting are train manning, material delivery, start signal for the actual pre-kit activity, and a delivery signal. The activity itself is the gathering of the parts on a trolley, and the output is the delivery of a trolley in the required time.
To generate output, a process needs resources and must be controlled by procedures.
The resources are basically a trained workforce as per the user guide which we developed for pre-kitting, and that controls the process in conjunction with an access database.
The new ISO 9000-2000 family of standards is based on the agreed 8 quality management principles. Each principle is linked to the standards.
This gives us a live position at any time of the day. From this we have historical data for any improvement plans or future development plans we may have.
Our customers are requiring the fastest possible return of any component which they leave for inspection.
One of the tools that's available to us is called process mapping. So we use this to identify the life cycle of the unit while it's in this company, and this allowed us to identify areas of waste.
We've found that demand planning, supply line management and manufacturing are the key interacting processes to enable us to reduce cycle time.
There was commonality between the two areas in the data, and we had a Pareto analysis done, and collar assemblies came out as the highest failing area in both these situations.
Well, as a result of the data, we are looking to involve our suppliers in the delivery of safes. When we have a complete pre-kitted trolley, we are looking to send a signal to the supplier to deliver the safe to the factory.
During the meetings that we hold monthly, the management team reviews particular key elements such as warranty claims, the outcome of team progress meetings, and typically corrective actions, and these types of issues are reviewed, and each month we feed this information back to the team so that everybody knows what's going on within the company.
How management have actually shown their commitment to continuous improvement in NCR is, in one aspect, we have a monthly meeting that runs for just about the whole day, where we review all of the continuous improvement activities. There's not any point in having a meeting that's not going to add value. So management is expected to add value by getting resource, by getting tools, by getting training, all of these things in place. But even when you do that, you've still got to make sure that people are recognised for doing the improvements, because they do put a lot of extra effort in to achieve these.